Do these things if you don't want to lose your Cpen token. If you don't want to lose your Cpen token, do these things. The Cpen token is estimated to be launched around 3 point something dollar. These things and thank me later. So let's dive into the tutorial. The things you must do before you lose your Cpen token. As we all know, Cpen token is going to start their distribution on March 24. So February 28th, Cpen mining ends and automatically switches to ink mining. So they are going to be mining ink mining in the same Cpen app. So if you don't want to lose your Cpen token that you have mined for more than a year or 2 years now, so these are the things you must do. So if you want to follow me through this video, you will know what to do. So March 11, KYC and MBAC wallet address entries are paused for balance verification and token distribution. So March 24, Cpen token distribution begins. So I'm going to put you through on what to do. So first of all, go to your Play Store. And search Cpen network. Then you will see that my Cpen network is up to date. So you have to update your Cpen network first. Then open the app. So open the app. So you click the 3 icons on your left. Click there. Then first of all, make sure that you have your KYC is being verified. So for you to be verified on your KYC, you have to have a strict mining of 5 days. That means, let me show you my streaks. I am on 18-day streak now. So you have to mine like from Sunday to Friday consistently before you will be qualified to take your KYC. Then the next thing I'm going to show you here is your wallet. You have to enter your BSC wallet address. So how can I find this my BSC wallet address? So I'm using MetaMask for this tutorial. So I will show you what to do now. MetaMask here. So this is MetaMask. So it's opening. So I will show you where to find your BSC wallet address. So it's very, very simple. So it's opening now. So like I told you, make sure your MetaMask is up to date. So I have to go to okay. So look for this is my this is my BSC this my BNB smart chain is my BSC wallet address. So this is my this BNB is my BSC wallet address. So click on the BNB. So it's not active. So what you're going to do is to go and copy this BNB smart chain wallet address. So you have to go and copy it. So go and copy that BNB smart chain wallet address. So you can see. So it has opened. It's due to bad network. So what I'm going to do now is to click on that BNB smart chain. So you will see receive. You will see receive. Then you see buy swap. So I have to press receive. So this is my wallet address now. So you have to copy it now and go back to your Cpen on wallet.
click on wallets. So you enter your BSC wallet. So I've already entered it. So if I want to remove it now, you press remove and add it if you have not done it. So by doing this step, you'll be sure that you're not going to lose your Cpen network. So Cpen token, sorry. So Cpen network is Cpen token is going to worth around $3 point something in the market.